Hi, I'm Jen from Make Your School Awesome, and today, with just a few items from the dollar store, we are going to build balloon mosaics. Let's go. You can seriously make any simplistic image, like a number to represent the grade you teach, or even the first initial of your last name. Now today, we are going to make a traditional school apple. Number 1, I created a tracer by sketching half of an apple. Use one of your foam boards and sketch your image with your marker. There are loads of free images and stencils by simply using the Google search balloon mosaic stencils. Number 2, with your razor blade, gently cut out your image. I recommend placing an additional foam board underneath or using a professional craft cutting board below to protect the surface of your table. Number 3, with the remaining 2 foam boards, cut each into several 6 by 20 inch pieces. These will be used for the sides of your apple. Number 4, with these newly cut pieces, carefully score a straight line horizontally, around an inch apart for the entire length of each board. Number 5, once each piece is fully scored, you will see its flexibility. Now check that out. Number 6, using a hot glue gun, carefully attach the sides of your apple. Make sure you glue section by section, sealing off each seam to create a perfect seamless structure. Take your time and make sure each piece is tightly secured. I like to use clear packing tape to assist while connecting some of the more difficult seams. Number 7, once your structure is complete, it's time for the balloons. Using 6-inch air-filled balloons, duct tape down your first balloon layer. I like to snip the back of each balloon to give the structure a smoother look as it will lay flatter to its base. Fill up the structure and keep each of the balloons as tight together as you can. Number 8, inflate a handful of 4-inch air-filled balloons. Using your glue dots or hot glue gun set on a cooler setting, place the smaller balloons in the areas to fill in the gaps and to give the apple some much needed texture. Number 9, inflate your longer yellow balloon. Fold it in half and place it inside your stem. Number 10, with your medium piece of thin green foam, cut out a simple leaf and attach it to the top of your structure with your hot glue gun. Number 11, stand up your beautiful balloon mosaic and enjoy. Your students will go wild, and there's so many fun ideas to incorporate into these school spirit activities and events. Thanks for watching, and follow us on the gram at Make Your School Awesome.